Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the top 3 altcoins to buy right now. As you guys can see, the market is finally coming back up after a huge red week that we saw pretty much for the past 7 days. Here in the past 24 hours, the market is currently up about 3.75%. Our top gainer in the past 24 hours is going to be Gala. Gala is up about 61.22%, trading at 36 cents. Highest volume is going to be Bitcoin. Right behind it is going to be Ethereum. Bitcoin at 34.7 billion, Ethereum at 17.2 billion. As we can see, Bitcoin is up about 2.8%, and then Ethereum is up about 3.8%. Bitcoin trading at 58,500, while Ethereum is at around 4,300. So obviously, we can see that Bitcoin had a way further dip, and the recovery is going to be a lot harder compared to where Ethereum is. Ethereum still trading at great prices here. Obviously, it hit highs of about 4,800 at one point, but it's right there. It's not very far, and that could, be recovered in a matter of a few days. Now, let's take a look at the rest of the market right here. Binance Coin up 4%, Solana 5%, Cardano 4%, Ripple 3%, Polkadot even 2.5%. Even the meme coins here, Doge and Shiba, are up about 1.5% and 3.5%. Then we have some outliers that are up here, even close to 10%, like Crow and Avalanche, with some other ones as well. We're seeing a lot of momentum, obviously, and a lot of movement here in the market in the past few days. And even during that red market, we had some, very, very green coins that were popping on higher compared to the rest of the market that was pulling back lower. So, guys, if you enjoyed this type of content, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. Thank you guys so much for 46,000 subscribers. Now, let's take a quick look at some other things that happened here in the market in the past week. Who are the top gainers before we get into these 3 altcoins that we're going to be talking about? So in the past week here, we can look at the crypto bubbles, and we have some huge wins. Gala is definitely one of them here, up about 286% just in the past week, from down here lows of about 0.9 or 0.098. Now we're trading at highs of 0.37. So huge move there. Market cap at 2.5 billion. Coco's here coming up at 249% from lows down here about 6 cents, almost 7 cents. Now we're trading at over $2.64. Meanwhile, the market cap is still very low, 121 million. We have some other winners here like POW, which is going to be Power Ledger. This one is up 100% or so. We have WAX, which is up about 57%, and then MBOX, which is up over 85%, and many other winners here that you guys can see in these bubbles as well. Then we have obviously some red ones here that are down a lot, but there seems to be a lot more green here that we're seeing lately compared to a few days ago when we were looking at the market, guys. So let's get into these altcoins, guys. First altcoin on the list is going to be Avalanche. So Avalanche right here making new highs and continues to break through even with that market dip. Avalanche is staying up higher and higher. So this one in the past 24 hours is up about 9% from lows of 106. Now it's at highs of 118. In the past week, we're up 39% and just continues to roar on higher. And we've been talking about Avalanche for a while now, and this just continues to show that, if we would have been watching my videos on our channel, we would have been catching gainers like this, like Avalanche. So that's why you want to stay subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out on opportunities like this. Here in the past month, over 107%, which is insane. Which means if you would have invested $1,000 a month ago, right now you would have doubled your money and you'd be worth around $2,000 overall. In the past year, this coin is up over 3,081% from lows of about $4 last year. Hit highs in February at 55, pulled back down, consolidated, pulled back down with the market to about $9. And then from that $9 range, we just continue to go higher and higher and higher. Over 1,000% here has been gained in the past few months. So a $1,000 investment in July would be worth over $11,000 currently in the market if you would have bought Avalanche in July time period. Market cap keeps on rising at 26 billion currently. Volume is down 19%, trading at 1.6 billion. Typical hold time is going to be 7 days. It is ranked at number 10 coin now. It keeps on, climbing the rankings. 73% buy and 27% sell activity. Avalanche describes itself as an open programmable smart contract platform for decentralized applications. AVAX is used to pay transaction fees and can be staked to secure the network. Avalanche is compatible with Solidity, Ethereum's programming language, and can be used to deploy custom private or public blockchains as subnets. So this coin continues to grow as it has showed, how much it is worth pretty much. So at a 26 billion market cap right now, that is a pretty high market cap, and if it continues to grow, we could be seeing this one go to the top 5 or 6 coins potentially in the near future, which is going to be amazing because, this coin kind of came out of nowhere for most investors. They were not even paying attention to Avalanche a long time ago here in July. Nobody was really paying attention to it until it started to pop off here in August and continue to rise on higher and higher. And now we're trading at all-time highs, obviously, and it continues to go, even more. So that's going to be our first altcoin. Our second altcoin is going to be Terra, also known as Luna. Luna here is up about 5.5% in the past 24 hours, trading at $43.64. In the past week, this one is down about 12% from highs of $53. And then on the 1 month chart, we're up about 15%. 1 year chart, 12,620% from lows of 33 cents last November. We went from 33 cents to highs of about $20 here in March. Pulled back down with the market, came back down to lows of about $5 or so. And then from that $5 range, we're up huge once again. Pretty much the same as Avalanche here. The highs, you would have been up over 1,000%, which would have means a 10x opportunity right there for anybody that got in June. Pretty much same as Avalanche right there. 10x opportunity from the low to the high, which is insane right there in a matter of 3 months or so. That's a pretty short time period to get a 3x or 10x opportunity. So here, market cap currently 17.4 billion. Volume in the past 24 hours at 617.2 million, which is about 55% lower than we've been seeing, usually here. All-time high at $54, like we said, as Luna continues to push on higher and higher here as well. With a slight pullback from that $54 range, we're down about 20% or so, and now we're waiting for a recovery, obviously, as the rest of the market was pulled back down during the course of the past weekend. Now we're waiting for the bounce and, obviously to new highs of over 20 billion market cap is what we're going to be looking forward to in the upcoming months. So that's going to be our second altcoin. And then coming in the number 3 spot is going to be Crypto.com, also known as Crow. We've been talking about this one as well, just like Avalanche for the past few months. And, people might be missing out on it, but it continues to make new highs and higher highs every single day almost. Here in the past 24 hours, we're up 12%, trading at 57 cents per coin. In the past week, this one is up about 58% with highs up here at one point of over 69 cents. In the past month, we're up 204%. Past year, 641%. So this coin was trading at around 7 cents last November. We went from 7 cents to about 30 or 25 cents right here. From 25 cents, pulled back down to under 10 cents here with the market around 0.0885, and then we just continue to skyrocket on higher here throughout August and September, especially here end of September going into October, or October into November. We've been seeing about 100% plus gain, 150% gain or so, close to 200% here, just in a matter of 2 weeks or so, 2 or 3 weeks. So it continues to push on higher. 14.4 billion market cap currently. Volume is at 494.2 million, which is 23% lower than the average here. Typical hold time is very, very short, 3 days. It is ranked the number 12 coin, so this one's climbing the rankings as well. 72% buy and 28% sell activity on this one. Now, a little bit about Crypto.com. It's an Ethereum token that powers Crypto.com Pay, a service that aims to allow users to pay for goods and services with cryptocurrency while receiving cashback rewards, which is something that people like to see. Just like you would get with your credit card when you're swiping your credit card and you get back points for different products that you're buying. The same thing is happening here with Crypto.com, and a lot of people, I guess, are very interested in that because they can get some cash back, and they feel like they're getting a reward for spending money pretty much. So this is going to be our third altcoin on this list, guys. Now let's take a look at the rest of the market, see how everything is performing. First of all, like we said, Solana's here up about 5% or so, trading at 214. Coming back up to those all-time highs, very close. Dogecoin, the meme coin here, trading at 23 cents or so. In the past 24 hours, we're up about 1%. In the past week, we're down 10% from highs of about 27 cents. Obviously, in the past month, we're down huge from highs of 34 cents. So this one a downward trend right now. And if it breaks through that 20 cents support level, this one could continue to go on lower and lower, especially if we get into a bearish market. Like we continue to say, if we see a bearish market, I think it's game over for Doge still. Tricky or kind of trekking around this 30.9 billion market cap, 31 billion market cap. Is trying to bounce back, but it's going to be very difficult for Doge to do anything now because we have other contenders in the market that are better. So then we have Bitcoin. Bitcoin went from lows down here about 56,000 at one point. Now we're trading at 58,500, up 2.5% in the past 24 hours. In the past week, we're down about 9% from highs of 66,000. On the 1 month chart, we hit highs of 69,000, and from that area, we're down about $10,000 right now. So a nice little pullback right here. In the past year, we're up 213%. We're seeing a little bit of a bounce right here, which is nice. So we're creating another, bouncing off of another support area, which is very crucial because we did not want it to go under that area, because it would have went down to probably lows of about 49,000 if it would have continued. Current market cap, 1.1 trillion, 14% of the crypto market space is taken up by Bitcoin, 76% buy activity, 24% sell activity. Volume is down about 18% from the highs of 34.7 billion here, and typical hold time is now 74 days as more investors are selling. Ethereum up about almost 4% here from lows down here of about 4,100, now at 4,300. In the past week, we're down 7% from highs up here of about 4,800 almost, and then obviously on the 1 month chart from highs of about 48.60 or 48.67. Now we're up about 11% in the past month still. So in the past year, we're still up 743%. And if we zoom out here in a 1 month or 1 year chart, obviously this is just a slight pullback, and now we're starting to trend back on higher. 510.5 billion market cap, 7% of the crypto market space is taken up by Ethereum, 74% buy, 26% sell, volume at 17.2 billion, which is down about 25%. And obviously typical hold time is now 73 days as more investors are day trading these type of coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. They're getting in and out very quickly, and people are starting to sell off because they were getting freaked out by the little dip that we saw here in the past week. But this was just an opportunity for people to buy in my opinion, for the long term, as Bitcoin and Ethereum are going to be inflation hedges pretty much, and people are going to continue to buy it as long as inflation sticks around and the dollar continues to crumble. So guys, let me know in the comments below, which cryptocurrencies are you buying right now? Do you think the bull market is going to come back, or are we going to enter bearish territory? As always, smash that like button for me, guys. Let's aim for 100 plus likes. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. This is all for entertainment purposes only. Before investing, speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence. Make sure you understand what you're getting into. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.